Some schools have asked us about putting a shared calendar within Teams. The way to do this is to go to a web browser and find the shared calendar that you want to put into your team. So there it is. And then all I do is I copy the URL from the top. And then when I go into my team, the easiest way of doing this is in one of the channels, whichever one you feel is the most appropriate, click on the plus at the top for the adding a new tab. And then what you may do is you may think, because the calendar is a SharePoint site, you go to SharePoint. Actually just go to website for this, not SharePoint, so website. Give the tab a name, so we can say staff shared calendar, and copy the URL that you've copied from the web page into there. You can choose to post to the channel about this tab that you're creating. Click save. And there you see the calendar will pop up, and you can see that it's the same calendar. We've got the same test events there. Now, when you add this calendar, you may find that a logon box appears. Log in with your credentials. This will not log the calendar in for everyone with your credentials. So everyone who joins the team, when they first click on the calendar tab, it will probably come up with a logon box, and they will have to put in their email address and password, and that will put your calendar onto a team.